Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not available on Windows 10 or you're having an issue running it. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick and easy tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back on Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on it, left click on Run as Administrator. When you receive a user account control window, left click on Yes. Now in this Elevate command line window, I'm going to have a command pasted in the description of my video. I want you to copy it, and then I want you to go up to the top bar of the screen, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter to run it. It will take some time to run. If you see any red text, don't be concerned. It's no big deal. And once we get a little bit further along, I'll jump back in with the narration. Okay guys, so once you have a System32 with a blinking cursor next to it, you should be good to go. So close out of here. Would recommend you guys restart your computer, hopefully resolve the issue. If it didn't, I will have a link in the description for a Microsoft troubleshooting utility that might be able to help resolve the problem as well. So I want to put a couple different options out there for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.